Hello everybody, this is the first video in a series of tutorials about a major upgrade that we have for the payments module, and I'm going to show you a number of new recurring billing options and scenarios that you can use with the products you create in your shopping cart. So when you go in your shopping cart, in the product section to either add a new product or maybe edit an existing one, I will use a test product that I have as example. In the name and pricing tab of the product wizard, in the section about the product price, when you click on the recurring fee scenario that you are already familiar with, you will notice a new option to charge an unlimited number of recurring cycles. You just check this option, and this would be something to use when you're selling something like a subscription that has no end date. Also, when you go to the cycle period, you will notice a couple of new periods every 2 weeks or every week, so you can have weekly or bi-weekly cycles for the payments. Besides this, we have a couple of new recurring billing scenarios for you. The first one is the trial period, followed by a number of recurring fee cycles. You can offer the trial period for free, in which case you will leave the amount at zero, or if you want to charge an amount for the trial, you enter it here. And of course, you would set up the time interval, the period for the trial, which can be a number of days, weeks, months. The years option is here in the list as well, just in case anybody would need it. And of course, then you set up the details for the recurring fee cycles, the amount, period, and a limited or unlimited number of cycles. The second new recurring billing scenario is the one in which you ask for an initial deposit amount that is followed by a limited or unlimited number of recurring fee cycles. You would specify the amount for the deposit here, and here you schedule the date when the recurring cycles begin. Then you set up the details for the recurring fee cycles, the amount, the frequency or the period, the number of cycles, or they can be unlimited. This would be a scenario that you can use in the case where you're selling something like an event, a class of some kind, webinar, seminar, where people buy seats to participate. And because of that, you would of course need to schedule a time interval in advance of the event when people can buy those seats. And you do it here, starting with a date that you can select from the calendar and ending with another date also selected from the calendar. So these are the new options and scenarios that you can use for the recurring billing for products.